drawing the network diagram. Here there are A, B, C, D, E, okay, J, and then after immediate predecessors are also given. Okay, and then after duration in months are also given over here. Okay, now we have to first of all design the network diagram, then we will find out the critical path for this one. Okay, and after completion of this one, then we'll go for designing a Gantt chart or time chart. Okay, so what should be my first job for creating this network diagram? First, what should I do?
So tail end,
Tail
to
event,
find
head
the
event,
tail event.
Tail event.
head event.
Tail event पहले करता हूँ. Tail event. Which of these things would be tail event?
A, B, C, D.
So A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
Why A, B, C, D?
Because it has no immediate predecessor.
It has no immediate predecessor. The tail event I have designed. Then after, which one would be the head event?
So Hij.
Hij. So A, B, C, D, H, I, J. Done. Okay. Now E, F, G is left out, isn't it? So E is coming from where?
B. From B.
So I can make this one as 2, right? That is, this is 5. Okay. Now F is coming from
E.
F is coming from
E.
where should I? Then after it is linking to
Linking to
So
H.
H.
E to H.
A
From
also.
C.
A is also there, na? H is leading to A. G coming from C, and then after G coming from C, and also predecessor for J. G is coming from C. J is also for D. I is from E. I have to design it. So which are my critical path? Now we have to find out the EST. EST for this one would be how much? Right? 10, 11. Okay. Then after we'll go for this point. How much it would be? 4. 4
So
point, what is
15.
EST? 15. Others, please answer. Only 23. Okay. And then is the highest, so we'll allocate 31 over here. We'll start finding out what would be the latest completion time. How much would be the latest completion time?
LCD.
From where?
31
From where?
7.
The LCD. Latest
7.
From
From the head event.
From the head event. So that is 30. 0.4 would be how much?
31 minus
24.
24.
24.
And it would be 0.4. How much it would be?
24, sir.
24.
24.
15.
15.
Sir, 15.
15. Okay. 10.
10.
10.
How much would
0.
0.
okay? So for other points, so these are my critical. No, non-critical are these are the non. So we'll write that the critical path is BEFH. Whichever is left out, that is
So 1, 5, 6, 7.
no activity I'm asking. A, C, then after D, G,
J.
I नहीं यूज करेंगे. J.
I, J.
Non-critical. IJ. Okay. So my non-critical activities are A, network design, and this is my critical path, and this is my non-critical activities. So network design is done, critical path also done. Now we'll go for preparation of Gantt chart. Okay. So in Gantt, starting and ending time of all critical activities, it will denote that one, as well as schedule of all non-critical activities. Okay. Now tell me in this one, which is 31. Okay.
Months.
How it is? Like the first is B, E,
F,
F,
H.
H. Okay, B 10 at 10 months. Sorry.
10 months.
Okay.
23.
H is 31.
31.
30.
E is 1 to. Okay. And this is 2 to 4. Okay. Then after F is 4 to 3. And this is 3 to 7. After non-critical activities, like A is there. For A,
C. 1 to 3.
1. Okay. How much is the earliest start time and how much is the latest completion time? And
23.
23. That's what I'm asking.
For
1
C,
to 5.
C is what is the node for C?
1
Which
to 5.
0 and 15.
1 to 5 and 0 to
5.
okay, and duration also. Let us write duration also. A duration is 6. C duration is
11.
C duration is 11.
11.
Then after D
0. 1 to 5. EST 0.
yes,
LCT 27
LCT 27.
or 12.
Duration 9.
Duration is 9.
D.
G is how much? Which
5
node
to
which
6.
node?
5 to 6.
G is 5
Note
to
is 5 to
6.
6.
I'm not able to see, just check and tell. J ka 11, latest completion time 7. Duration is 12.
12.
Age is not
15.
15.
15.
LCD
31.
31.
and then after duration 7.
7.
7.
Okay, J is how much? Which node to which? 7. EST is how much?
23.
23, 31.
23, 31. Duration is how much?
4.
4. Starts from 0 ends at 10. This is my B activity. Okay. Next is E activity.
E activity.
E activity starts at 10, and ends at 15.
15.
Starts at 10, ends at 15. That is activity E. Okay. F activity starts at 15, ends at
23.
23.
3. Okay. H at B 23.
23. Ends at 31.
This is H activity. This one, this is 1, 2, 2 A activity. Then after 2 to 4 is E activity. Okay. This is F activities 4 to 3. H activities 3 to okay 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 7. Starts at 2, ends at 4, 10 to 15. Okay. Then after F activity 4 to 3, 15 to 23. 4 to 3, 15 to 23. Okay. H activity 3 to 7. Let us see this one also. F activity, H activity 3 to 7, 23 to 31. Okay. So this way the critical path has been designed. Okay. Now we'll go one by one. That is node 1 ends at node 3. Okay. EST LCT is how much? LCT is 23. Duration is how much? 6. So 1. Okay. It will start from 1 and ends at 6.
Sir, ends at 3.
Duration is 6. Okay.
Duration is
And
6.
23. So 23 means 23 says 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And it is 23. So I'll just type over here 23. And it ends at 3. Node 3. Okay. So it is are you getting A activity? Okay. Now we'll go for the C activity. Okay. C J मैं एक्चुअली स्पेस नहीं था इसलिए J को मैं यहाँ पे रखा था तो ACDGI को करके जाएंगे. C activity 1 to 5 and it's 1 to 5. Okay. C activity is 1 and it should What is the latest completion time for this one? For C, 15. Let me draw this way. It can start at 0 and it can any point of time. It can end at 15. This is okay.
Then
And then after, what is the duration of C?
11.
Is 11. Okay. So it can start from here and it can go to 11. This is 11. This is 10. 1 point extra, 11. Okay. This is my C activity. Okay. Then from here I will start 15 minus 11 is 4. I can connect this line. Then and node is 1 to 5. Then fourth day. Or it is not coming on the fourth day, sorry. Now it is okay.
yes, sir.
So let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my G is also done. Now I and J.
I.
I and J. Earliest start time is 15.
15.
15.
15 and ends at 31. So this is J is 6 to 7. 6 to 7. Okay. Earliest start time 23. Duration is 4. 1, 2,
23,
3.
26.
This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is G.
One?
1, 2, 3 कितना?
हाँ वो
8.
माइनस निकल.
हाँ तो
ऐसे ठीक है ना सर डायग्राम?
नहीं आप करिए ना, वो मैं कैसे ही करूँगा? आप पहले एक एक करके करिए, उसको 33 करिए, चेंज करिए करके अभी देखिए EST LC डायग्राम तो
30
नेटवर्क डायग्राम इज करेक्ट, नेटवर्क डायग्राम इज करेक्ट, बट
और
EST
33 होगा वो. 33
अभी
में गलती हो.
हाँ ये
हाँ सर हो गया.
ओके ठीक है तो